If you want to make someone's heart race, it only takes 3 little words. Sale on now. Why do we find sales so irresistible? First, they trigger a powerful sense of urgency and scarcity. We think, if I don't buy that now, I'll miss out and I'll regret it. This FOMO can override our rational thinking. Second, discounts tap into our desire to win. Getting a product at a special price feels like we've outsmarted the system. But not every sale is a steal, and not every discount's a deal. So how can you tell the difference? Know what things are worth. Sometimes that discounted price is not that different from the regular price somewhere else. And stick to your list. It might be 40% off, but that's still 60% on, and if it's not something you need, it's not a bargain. Remember, sales are designed to entice, but sometimes they're nice. So keep your head and you'll come out ahead.